Hi, my loves. Welcome to the dazzling world of nail enhancements. Today, let's dive into the magic of gel manicures and uncover why they've become a staple in the beauty routines of so many. We're going to explore everything from application to removal and the incredible benefits they offer. Gel polish is cured under a UV or LED lamp, a process that sets it apart from traditional nail polish. This curing process is key, making it ultra strong and glossy for weeks, giving you that salon-perfect look that lasts. Unlike regular polish, gel won't chip or dull after a few days, maintaining its vibrant color and shine. It's not just a manicure, it's serious long-lasting glam that keeps your nails looking flawless. Imagine perfect nails for 2 or even 3 weeks, a consistent, polished look that saves you time and effort. This is especially great no matter how busy you are, allowing you to focus on your day without worrying about your manicure. The shine stays flawless, giving your nails a professionally done appearance. It acts like a glossy shield for your nails, protecting them from everyday wear and tear. Regular polish air dries and chips fast, a common frustration for many. Gel polish, on the other hand, hardens under light for a tough plastic-like finish, ensuring durability. And the best part? No waiting for polish to dry. Your nails are instantly set after curing, so you can get back to your day without smudges or dents. There are 2 main types of gel polish to choose from. First, there's soft gel, which is flexible and soaks off easily, making removal a breeze. Then, there's hard gel, which is used for extensions and needs to be filed off, offering a more permanent solution. For beginners, soft gel is the way to go, as it's more forgiving and easier to manage. It's easy, long-lasting, and gentle on natural nails, making it a great choice for maintaining nail health. When it comes to brands, options like Gelish are known for their quality and wide range of colors, and OPI Gel Color are great options, offering professional-grade results that you can trust. Ready to see how it's done? Let's get started and transform your nails. Want salon-quality nails without the salon price tag? Here's how you can achieve a professional-looking gel manicure right in the comfort of your own home. We'll guide you through each step. First, gather your kit. You'll need an LED or UV lamp for curing, a nail file and buffer to shape and smooth your nails, a cuticle pusher to keep your nail beds healthy, pH bonder to dehydrate the nail, and a gel base coat for adhesion, your favorite gel color, and a top coat for shine and protection, lint-free wipes to avoid any residue, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start with clean, dry nails. Make sure there's no old polish or oils present. Gently push back your cuticles and shape your nails to your desired form. Lightly buff the nail surface to remove the shine, then wipe thoroughly with alcohol to remove any dust and oils. This step is crucial for gel adhesion. Apply a thin layer of pH bonder to dehydrate the nail plate, then a thin base coat. Avoid getting any on your skin or cuticles. Cure under the lamp for the recommended time, usually 30-60 seconds, depending on your lamp. Now apply your gel color in thin, even coats, curing each layer under the lamp. 2 or 3 thin coats will give you the best color payoff and prevent the polish from wrinkling. Finish with a thin top coat to seal in the color, carefully capping the free edge of each nail for added durability and to prevent chipping. Cure one last time. And voila! Your nails are instantly dry, incredibly shiny, and ready to go. That's it. You've successfully created a flawless gel manicure at home. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't stress if it's not absolutely perfect the first time. With a little patience, you'll be rocking salon-worthy nails in no time. Transition to next scene. To keep your gel mani looking flawless and fresh for as long as possible, it's essential to treat your nails with a little extra TLC. Avoid using your beautiful nails as tools. They're not meant for opening packages or scraping things. Apply cuticle oil daily, ideally multiple times a day. This keeps your nails hydrated, promotes healthy nail growth, and helps prevent lifting of the gel polish. Always wear gloves when cleaning. Protect your manicure from harsh chemicals and prolonged water exposure by wearing gloves while washing dishes or doing household chores. When it's time to remove your gel manicure, resist the urge to peel or pick at the gel. Peeling causes significant damage to the natural nail, weakening it and making it prone to breakage. To start the removal process, gently file off the shiny top coat of the gel polish. Next, soak cotton balls or pads in pure acetone. Place the soaked cotton directly on your nails, and then wrap each finger securely with foil. Allow the acetone to soak for 10-15 minutes. Set a timer to ensure proper soaking time. After the soaking time is up, slide off the foil and cotton from each nail. The gel polish should now lift easily from the nail surface. If there's any remaining residue, gently use a wooden stick, like an orange wood stick, to remove it. If the gel is stubborn and doesn't come off easily, re-soak the nail for a few more minutes and try again. Remember, never force the gel off, as this can cause damage. Safe and gentle removal is key to keeping your natural nails healthy, strong, and ready for your next manicure. Don't forget to take extra care of your nails between manicures by moisturizing and using nail strengtheners for the best results. Are you ready to dive into more expert tips and the latest nail trends? Let's get started. Gel manicures are safe when done right. Just watch UV exposure and give your nails a break between applications. Use sunscreen or UV gloves if you're concerned about the lamp. Thin, even coats and capping the free edge are pro secrets for long-lasting results. Popular shapes almond and squoval, timeless and flattering. Trending colors, sheer pinks, milky white, sage green, and terracotta. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your signature look. FAQs, get a gel mani every 2-3 weeks. Gel works on short nails too. If your gel peels, check your prep buff and cleanse well. With these tips, you'll master gel manicures at home. Thanks for watching. Go rock those gorgeous nails.